pretty sure we're almost there. I made it. That was a walk. Holy cow, but look at this view, so worth it. All the way, 360s to Firth of Forth, and then we come all the way around what I thought was maybe Morro Rock, and then all the way around to the other side of the city. So this is Arthur's Seat. I don't know, it took us about an hour to get up here maybe. Not for the faint of heart, but we made it.
I didn't make it. Thank you.
So we're here in Edinburgh, and we're at Tweeds of Scotland, and I've met Marcus, and I have to ask Marcus, which clan is Davy a part of? We're trying to find our family.
So Davy spelled D-A-V-I-E is the part of the clan Davidson.
So why are we a part of somebody else's clan? That makes me feel not very important. What happened?
So what happened was there's millions of clans. So in order to have millions of different Tartans, it'd be impossible. So what they did was they'd have sept of clans, and small clans join bigger clans. So
we merged,
yeah.
like a business going out of business,
Exactly.
Because we didn't make enough people.
Exactly.
It got small.
Exactly.
We're like we became a part of Apple or
Yeah,
General
exactly.
Motors.
So if you're like a small electrician store, you joined Apple, or you joined like a big company, corporation like that.
Isn't that kind of sad?
It is quite sad.
Oh, we're not even on the front of the row. We're behind the Duncans. So here we are in Portree. It means King's Port. So at some time a king came here. But check out these colorful buildings. Seafood, obviously a specialty here. It's the capital of the Isle of Skye. It's also the home of the only secondary school on the Isle of Skye in the Inner Hebrides. So this is Portree. This is the best of Scotland. So we're here with students from the University of Edinburgh, and we have France, we have Germany, we have Mexico, and more Germany here represented. And names real quick.
Elena. Maximiliana.
Christina.
Lena.
Oh wow, this is a group. And they were here taking pictures. And in terms of coming out someplace in Scotland, what's your favorite thing about coming out here?
I really like going on hikes here. Yeah.
Okay, so physical activities. Yeah, that's wonderful. So how about you?
Also, the nature here is great. The waterfalls.
So what are the different animals here in Mexico?
Animals.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know.
It's a pop quiz. You're in college.
Highland cows.
Yeah, Highland cows.
Highland cows.
Highland. So we're talking about the Highland cows. And
With like
what's the biggest difference you notice from France?
I couldn't say the weather because it's very rainy in Paris too.
Right. Is it right now?
Yes,
Yeah,
it is.
yeah, wow. Okay. So and how long are you in university?
Until August next year.
Okay. And in terms of the romantic life here, what's the romantic life here?
In existence.
That's true.
Non-existent, she said. No, really? I put you on the spot. I totally put him on the spot. Oh, whoops. I made a big mistake. So, and in terms of your studies, what are you studying at the university? I mean, what's unique that you can study here?
We all study law, so we do a Master of Laws for 1 year.
Okay, so the easy stuff. You're doing the easy stuff. Yeah, just kind of. Wow. And so what do you want to specialize in?
Innovation and technology.
What about you?
General law.
Okay. And you?
European law.
Wow, these people are going to be famous. And I met them here first. And what about you?
Intellectual property, so copyrights, patents.
I worked in licensing at Disney. Yeah, that's a good business to get into. And we pay absolutely no royalties for this show, just so you know. Well, ladies, thank you so much. It was so great. And what names again, real quick?
I'm Elena.
Maximiliane.
Christina.
Lena.
Right.